Did you know that Fanny Farmer in 1896 introduced the concept of cups and spoons to the Boston Cooking School cookbook to help home cooks be more consistent? Pastry chefs or professionals are loath to do anything the hard way. Everything they do is for ease and efficiency. So if you assume the innovation of cups and spoons happened a very long time ago, and that we have developed to the point where we have computers in our pockets, then you can comprehend that upgrading to a digital scale and a digital mini scale will make your life easier. Even if you don't understand metrics, once you've converted one recipe, it will all make sense. It's why you won't or shouldn't see cups and spoons in any baking class. Professionals know the benefits of using a scale, and baking book authors need to make the leap. The onus is on the home baker. If your product does not turn out well, you will be told you didn't scoop or pack your ingredients properly while measuring them. I would argue that the measurements are wrong to begin with. They're really just gross estimates. I love helping people troubleshoot what went wrong in their recipe, but if they didn't use a scale, that's going to be at the top of my list of suspected issues. It's time to innovate. Innovation makes things easier and more accurate. 128 years is too long to stick to one thing.